Good morning, children. This is your second session of your geography lesson, Land and Oceans. We already finished first landforms, continents and ocean. What are the landforms in the continents? There are 5 landforms. See the picture, children. This is forest area. Okay. This is our field area, plain. This beach sand. This is the sea, fishing. You have seen the boat. This is falls, which means mountains. And at last here, desert land. So there are 5 landforms. The landforms are separated into 5. Okay, children? Children, land classification during the Sangam period. Sangam period means civilized period between 2000 to 5000 years. Okay. First one is Kurinji. Kurinji landform consists mountain and its environment. Okay. Mullai. What is Mullai? Forest and its surroundings are said to be Mullai. Then Marudam. Marudam, agricultural land and its adjoining areas. Neithal, sea and its environment. Palai, desert region. Do you understand, children? So, classification of land during the Sangam period: Kurinji mountain, Mullai forest, Marudam agriculture land, Neithal sea, Palai desert region. This is the question given today. Okay. Children, so what are all categorized in the second landforms? Mountains, plateaus and plains. See the picture, children. Mountain is given, no? Mountain. So rivers are flowing through the mountain. The cultivated land is said to be the plain. The raisin land is said to be the plateau. We'll come to first mountains. So a landform that rises 600 meter above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called a mountain. Okay, what is mountain, ma? The landform that rises 600 meter above its surrounding and has steep slope. Slope means what? Mountaining எப்படி வரைவீங்க? சரிச்சு வரைவீங்க இல்லையா? That is said to be the slope. Is called mountain. So, I give you examples of mountain. The Himalayas. This mountain is the greatest mountain in India. Okay. Which is in Asia. The Himalayas of Asia. The Rocky Mountains of North America are the examples. Okay, children. What are the two huge mountains given? Himalayas in Asia and Rocky Mountains in North America. Okay. Children, the highest point of a mountain is known as its peak. Do you understand, ma? The highest point of a mountain is known as its peak. So, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay, which is the highest peak, children? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay, so we'll study about some characteristic of mountains now. Mountains are the sources of rivers. Do you understand? The rivers are originate from only the mountains. They provide shelter to flora and fauna. What is flora and fauna? Plants and animals are said to be flora and fauna. Okay, so many plants and animals are living in mountains only. These mountains become the tourist part nowadays. Okay, that is become an important activity in our country. During summer season or vacation, people go to the mountain regions to enjoy the pleasing cool weather. Do you understand? So on the top of the mountain, the temperature is very less compared to the plains. So people enjoy to move to the mountains. Mountainous areas examples are given. Udakamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkad and Yelagiri are the some of the hill station in Tamil Nadu. Do you understand, children? Now next we'll go to the plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portion of the earth that have flat surfaces bounded by steep slopes. So plateaus are not like mountains. Okay, it is only a elevated portions, which means கொஞ்சம் உயர்ந்து இருக்கும். Okay va? It's not that much height as mountains. Okay. So the elevation of plateaus may be only few hundreds. Okay. So Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. We studied about the two mountains, no? Himalayan mountains and the Rocky Mountains. Here, again two plateaus are given for you. One is the Tibetan plateau, which is the highest plateau in the world. The other name given for the Tibetan plateau is Roof of the World. Okay. So the flat topped part of the plateau is called tableland. So it may have the steep, but the flat portion also said to be the tableland. These plateaus are generally rich in minerals. Minerals means all the metals. Okay. Another one plateau is given, the Chota Nagpur plateau, that is in India only, that possess rich minerals. Therefore, mining is the major activity in the Chota Nagpur plateau. Children, we are living in Deccan plateau. So we are living in Tamil Nadu Nama. This is said to be the Deccan plateau, which is in peninsular India, is of a volcanic origin. Okay, children. So today I finished mountains, plateaus and different landforms. Thank you, children.